Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your Gmail name. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So you have your Gmail, but at some point you want to go ahead and change your name. So if I click on my Gmail here, you can see this is the current name that is accompanied on this Gmail account. To change this name, go ahead and click on your profile icon up here and then choose manage your Google account. If you click on this, you'll be redirected to this page. And here you can do some changes on either personal information, security sign in, as well as Google password. So I'll go ahead and tap on personal information here. And you can see here we have a lot of details, among them your profile picture, your name, gender, or your emails here, as well as your phone number and your birth details, among others. To change your name, go ahead and click on name. And now you have an option here to change the name or even a nickname. So I'll go ahead and tap on name here. So you can see I'm using this Crescent Labs as my name. I wish to change this to AI. And the last name, I'll leave it as it is so that it becomes AI Labs. And I'll go ahead and tap on save. And as you can see, that has been saved. So if I go back to my email and refresh it, now if I hover over it, you can see the name has been changed. And if I click on manage, you can see we have now the changes here. So that's how you can change your name on Gmail. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.